Okay, today's lesson is past perfect. Let me write its structure. Had plus verb 3. It is the main structure of past perfect. For example, for positive, we say, I had invited, right? I had invited. For negative, we use had plus not plus verb 3. I hadn't invited. I hadn't invited. What about the question? We use had at the beginning of the sentence. Like, had I invited? That's all. We can use some time expressions for it. Let me show them and give some samples related to it. Okay. As you see, it is affirmative. It means positive, negative form, long form, short form, and for negative, hadn't waited, or short form, hadn't waited. It means we gave the construction of it. Okay. Then, past perfect is used for past actions which happen before another past actions or before a stated past time. For example, let me write it like this. It is past simple, yes? It is past perfect. Okay. This action happened before another past actions or before a stated past time. For example, I had already done, let me write it, this task while you called me. The first action is I had already done. The second one is you called. The first action should be in past perfect. The second in past simple. That's all. Then, for an action which finished in the past and whose result was visible in the past. For example, he was happy he had won the race. As the past equivalent of present perfect, she isn't in her office, she has already left. Before a present time, yes. Before the present time, she wasn't in her office, she had already left. Before a past time, as you see, wasn't, it is the second one, second action, because the first one is had already left, which is in past perfect. Clear? What about time expressions? We can use before, after, just, yet, already, for, since, ever, never, till, until, when, by the time, etc. These time expressions are used in past perfect. Okay. Okay, let's do it together. Yes. Let me read the first sentence. The students left the classroom because the bell had not ring, it's rung, right? Had rung. It is, the first action was Yes, that's why it is in past perfect. What about the second action?
Rick hadn't finished their work by the time his boss returned.
Yes, the first action was
By the time the boss returned,
first action.
Rick hadn't finished their
Yes, Rick hadn't finished the report by the time his boss returned. Let me say it like this. The second action will be in the past simple, not past perfect. The first action will be in past perfect. The first action. The next one.
After they had put up their tents, they made a fire.
Yes. After they
Had
had put up,
their tents.
yes, their tents, they made a fire. Yeah. The first one was.
After they had put up their
Yes,
tents.
great. Okay, next one.
The fans were excited because their team had won.
Okay, first action was.
Their team had won.
Great. Next one.
They get the burglars had the burglars get away by the time the police arrived.
What about the first reform of get?
And the burglars get
Gotten.
gotten by the
Yeah.
time the police arrived.
And it is, as you said, it's a question sentence. So we will use had the burglars gotten away by the time the police arrived, and the first action was about burglars. Next one.